How to fix can't log into AliExpress. Experiencing login issues on AliExpress can be frustrating. Here are some tips to help you resolve common problems. Check AliExpress server status. Before troubleshooting, verify if AliExpress is experiencing outages. So launch your preferred browser and head towards the website like Down Detector, then type in AliExpress and then search for it. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem is resolved. If you are using browser, accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with website functionality. Clear them in your browser settings and attempt to log in again. If you have enabled extension, disable it. Extensions, especially ad blockers, might conflict with AliExpress. Temporarily disable those extensions to see if the issue persists. Use a different browser or device. Switching to another browser or device can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. If you are unsure about your login credentials, use the Forget Password option on the AliExpress login page to reset it. Repeated failed login attempts can lead to temporary account locks. Wait for a while before trying again or contact AliExpress support for further assistance. AliExpress offers multiple login options, including email, phone number, and social media accounts. Ensure you are using the correct method associated with your account. Update browser or app. Outdated browsers or apps can cause compatibility issues. Ensure you are using the latest version of your browser or the AliExpress app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues on AliExpress. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.